Hey guys, it's me, Avian here, and today we are back with Hops. Well, I called him Hops just now. So, while I paint him, I'm gonna be talking about this game. I'm going to be seeing, how, I'm gonna be watching this game and seeing how it goes. Because I haven't played this in the new version, so I'm really, really excited. Right now, I'm just coloring my wolf, but I'm not really sure. Maybe I can add it like this, and that, and that. There, that looks good. Now I think we can load in. But I'm gonna see what this game is about. I know they just updated all the animations, and I waited for the animations. So, here we are. Ooh, okay, I really like where you spawned. It's like a very magical little spot. It's very cute. And a lot of wolves are really, really cute. I love these wolves. They're adorable. But we are gonna see everything. So, yes. So, I love that, it goes up when you go up. Your character goes up. And, it's just a really cool game. Ooh, is this a cave? No, it's just a little spot to hang out. Oh, someone just howled. So this is a nice little secret area to put a den. Is this a den? I'm not sure. Okay, I think it's a volcano. Where is it leading? Okay, so that was a very cool little spot to go in. I love that. Okay, I love that the run's a little bit of the same. Let me try the walk. The walk I love. It's very calm. The trot is a little too bumpy. But everything, it's just so nature, pretty, adorable. But I really wish that they kept the actual, the old wolves, because old wolves I really loved a lot. So yeah, but I do really love there's secret caves, magical things, very light. But there's also very dark places as well. Oh, this is a very nice roleplay game, and I love the jumping. Well, the jumping, whenever you move, it's very nice. But whenever you just do it by itself, I don't like it because it's just too short. Now let's try the animations. Okay, so here is sit. I love the sit. It's just super. The arms are just way too out. I wish that it was too closer. Here's lay down with its paws crossed. I love it. It's so cute. It's so cute. It's adorable. Here's rest. Back, whatever you call it. Sleep or hurt. I don't know what this is. Scared. Oh no, go. Scared. This is scared. excited. Little dance, another little dance, and another little dance. Okay, next we're gonna be howling. Now it says fart. Oh my gosh, that's gross. Okay, smiley, happy, tired, angry, aggressive, scared, worried, concerned. Oh, what is this called? I don't know what it's called. Awkward smile, smug. Wow. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. Wow. Face 1 and face 2. Okay. These are some crazy faces. But this game is really nice, and I think it would be nice, a very nice game to roleplay in. I'm not saying it's horrible, but I mean, like, whenever, like, it's too, like, uppy and stuff, like, because your arm, like, goes through your body when you climb up, like, really big hills. But it is a very nice game to roleplay in, and it's a fun game to play with your friends and family. And I love that there's, like, secret spots. I think I already said that. I'm going to say it again. I love that there's secret spots, different kinds of areas that you could travel to, or walk to, run to, or walk to, or trot to. But yeah, I love, like, there's, like, I love the color of the torches. Like, every single where I go, there's, like, blue ones, yellow ones, orange ones, white ones, so many lights. I love it. But some places are really dark. I love that there's campfires. And I love, like, the button. It says, like, interact. But yeah, this game is really cool. Oh, I love the crystals as well. The crystals are very cool. I just now know that they upgraded the game and it's now like 500 Robux or something. I wouldn't do it. The old one was 250 and now it's 500, I think. And that's not really fair for a game that you wouldn't play as much, because I don't even play this much. Actually, this is like my 3rd time playing it. I played it like way more in the old version. Like so way more in the old version. And I don't know, like, the new version just gets me. I don't know. I don't really like it. So, like, can y'all change it back, please? Or, yeah, because I'm not a big fan of it. Other people may, but I'm not. But we can keep it if y'all are good with keeping it. I love this. Okay, this little spot is so cute. So much open areas. Oh, there's lily pads. Oh my gosh. The swimming is too, I don't know, it's very fast. But yeah, the jump is like way too low to even jump on things. Like, I can't even jump on the crystal. But I really like the game, and the game is really, really fun, and just a little bit things need to be fixed. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, subscribe, turn on notifications, give us a thumbs up. See ya! Oh dance, ooh jumpin' jacks, ooh